Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is going to be a tutorial on
this eye look right here.
I wanted to do something very summery. I was definitely inspired by a bunch of Instagram pictures I kept seeing of the Colourpop palette that came out about a month ago. Oh my gosh, what? I can't even think of the name of it. By the Honey palette that Colourpop came out with. I did not get my hands on it because I have been on a non-makeup buying spree, if you will. So I've been really trying to hold back if I feel like I have anything in my collection that is not expired, that I haven't used enough, that would do the job. If you wanna see how I got this look, not using the Honey palette, using what I already have, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by priming my lids, and then the palette that I'm gonna be using for this look is a Colourpop palette. It is the Yes Please palette that came out last year around this time. And I just use a little shadow insurance from Too Faced to prime my lids. Now I'm gonna go into that palette using this peach shade called Champs, and I'm gonna go ahead and just dust that lightly on my transition area, starting from the outside corner and just sweeping it inward in basically circular motions and sweeping motions. So circle, sweep, circle, sweep. This is what I do to get that color really on there. And I go in there and layer it as much as I feel may be needed to get it to the intensity I want. Now dipping into Big Cocktails, which is this orange shade. And I'm basically gonna go over Champs, which was that peach shade, and do the same thing. So I'm just trying to gradually add layers so that way you get this nice transition blend of colors. So doing the same thing, circle, circle, sweep, sweep, circle, circle, sweep, sweep on both sides, of course. So remember,
blend, 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 and when you think you blended enough, you probably have to blend some more.
Just picked up Mischief, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the outer corner and all over the lid. So I want this look to be yellow. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid from the very outer corner to the very inner corner, stopping a second to clean up the fallout. So that's easy to do as you go so you don't end up with fallout everywhere. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that yellow into the crease and just make sure that I'm blowing it out because I really do want this to be more of a yellow vibe than anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and change brushes here to this flat brush because I really wanna pack on that yellow, and a flat brush is better to do this with. Now moving back to my blending brush and just blending out those edges. Now it's time to add some sparkle. Going into Cheap Date, also from Colourpop, and I'm just gonna press that all over the center of my lid.
Are you guys even seeing this? Oh my goodness.
This shadow so much. It is so pretty. I don't even think the camera is capturing how pretty this sparkle is, but I hope it is. I feel like I need more yellow, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the flat brush again, and I'm gonna go ahead and press the yellow into the outer corner and then the inner corner, and then I'm gonna blend it together to make it seamless. And at this point, I'm just pouncing on top with the blending brush. I'm not really moving the product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip back into Mischief with the flat brush so that way I can take it underneath my lash line and put it all around my eye. Now I feel like I've lost some of the sparkle, so I'm gonna take this Stila glitter in Stormy and I'm gonna put that right on top of the sparkle where Cheap Date was, basically just to make it, you know, more sparkly. Now taking my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight, I'm gonna actually use that for underneath my brow bone just to give it a little, you know, just a little something something. I feel like I need more sparkle, so I'm gonna take Butter Cake from the Yes Please palette, and I'm just gonna put that on top of where all that sparkle previously was to see if I can make it even more sparkly. Okay, I'm into it. I like it, I think. Now grabbing my Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner in 001, or their black color, and adding a layer of liquid liner. Moving right along to mascara, grabbing my Lash Paradise and just putting a really, really good layer in there. I honestly usually do about 2 coats. I do 1 coat, do the other eye, and go back and do another coat on each eye. But let's not forget the bottom lashes. I always like a good layer at the bottom as well. I just think the eyes need a little depth down there, especially if you put eyeshadow down there. So this is what it's looking like so far, but we have a little bit of details to add still. And by that, of course, I mean some false eyelashes. So just grab your favorite pair of falsies. I believe these are the Ardell Wispies. I am using this pair for like the 3rd time, and I'm just gonna put that right on my lashes. And of course, we have to go back and hide that lash band. So just taking my liquid eyeliner and I'm just going right above that band to hide it as much as possible and make it blend into my eyeliner. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I zoomed you in as much as possible so you can see everything. I really actually kind of love the way it came out. Thank you so much. I really hope it inspired you to go out and try something fun for summer. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share my video with anyone that you think will enjoy it. That helps me grow and encourages me to keep making videos. So if you do enjoy my post, please do share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I do not post that often. I've been trying to post once to twice a week, but sometimes I will go a few weeks without posting, so the bell will help you know when I have uploaded a new video. Again, in turn, helping you stay tuned, helping me keep in touch, you know what I mean? So thank you so very much. Remember guys, to spread love, not hate, and I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.